It's true. Very few people make it in network marketing, but it's not that they can't, it's that they won't. So I'm sitting here on the balcony, my last day of a 10-day vacation in Cabo San Lucas. See the ocean out there? It is relentless, relentlessly pounding on that beach, day after day, minute after minute, hour after hour. And the reality is that most people won't do what it takes. They will not be relentless at their goals and dreams. And it's all about prospecting. Prospecting is the key to everything network marketing related. Maybe you're with EXP and you're wanting to recruit agents. It's all about your relentless drive to finding people that want to join you. And that's it. When I first started in network marketing, I was very introverted. Didn't hang out with a lot of people, didn't have a lot of friends, put me in a coffee shop, tell me to meet new people was the worst thing you could ever do for me. But so when I started out, I wanted the dream, I wanted success so bad. And so I started out with taking little golf tees. You know, you put your golf ball on, you hit your golf ball off, and I put 3 of those in my left pocket. And my goal for the day was say hello to 3 people. You think that's so minuscule, but I was such an introvert that was a big deal for me. And so every time I said hello, just hello to one person, I'd take a golf tee and I'd move it to my other pocket. So when I came home at night and I emptied my pockets, I knew whether I was a success or a failure. And I became committed to that effort. And then after I got better at that, I would maybe do 5 golf tees. And this was before the internet. And so I would say hello to 5 people. And then I'd grow up to hello, how are you? And then hello, how are you? What do you do for a living? And that's how I succeeded at it. And it did not ever become easy to do for me, but it became easier for me to become committed to my dreams and goals, because everybody makes a decision that I'm going to build. No different than I made a decision many times to work out and go to the gym and take better care of my health. And I paid for a gym membership because I made a commitment to become healthy. I made a decision to become more healthy and more fit and more active. And so I bought a gym membership. I paid for that gym membership for 4 years and went 2 or 3 times. See, that's the difference between a decision and a commitment. And they both become habits. So you can make a decision to go out there and start prospecting daily and never do it. Because why? Because you let yourself off the hook. You let stuff get in the way. You let shit get in the way. You let things get in the way. And now you are becoming a habit of failure, a habit of lack of commitment. Or you finally say enough is enough. I will commit to do the things that my coaches and mentors tell me to do on a daily basis. And that's when success happens. When you become committed to yourself. You quit buying the crap that you sell yourself, that you can't do it today because of this or because of that. I can't make the phone call because of this. That's just all bullshit that you feed yourself and you believe. You have to become committed to what you're going to do on a daily basis, or success will never have happened. So yes, very few people make it in network marketing. But the reality is not that people can't, they just won't. I believe in you, and I think that you can become committed like I was 30 years ago, as shy and as introverted as anybody. But I forced myself to do the things that were uncomfortable because I wanted the life that others couldn't. Have a blessed day.